Hi guys, it's Mrs. Sikon here. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope you guys are enjoying at home. Yes, some of you messaged me today and the day before yesterday saying you guys miss me. Yes, I do miss you guys a lot, and I am looking forward to see you soon, I hope. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to sign up on Khan Academy. Many of you emailed it to me, so now I decided that I should make a video on that. Okay, so on Teams, I sent you a code. If you go down to your Teams, Microsoft Teams, under discussions post, there was Khan Academy code posted. It seems like some of you missed that because I posted right beside the link. Okay, so this is the code we are going to use it. It is case sensitive. What I want you to do, just copy paste it. So select, right click, copy here. Let's go back to sign up on the Khan Academy website. So you are going to sign up as a learner. What is your date of birth? I think I just don't want you to put your actual date of birth. Just put whatever you want. I'll just try to put something maybe 2006. Okay. Enter class code. We have that one. So here is the code. We already copied, so I'll do Control V, paste it here, click add. Okay. See, now here you see our class. That's the Math 10. Create a new, enter your class code. So we are going to, I am sure you don't have account here, so we'll do create a new account here. I totally forgot what was the date of birth, so I'm just going to randomly select June 8, 2006. Sign up with email, continue with Google. I think let's do sign up with email here. Your first name, I'll say H, last name K-A-U-R. Just click on password, whatever password you want to put it here. For you guys, I know I did not type my whole name, full name here, so please make sure you put your first name and last name so that it's easy for me to see who you are. And please put your email address here. I will just put just abcgmail.com. Just make sure you put the right email address. Okay, so click on sign up. Oh, they said it's already exists, so I'll say ABC12. I hope it's not. Okay, so it seems like it's available for us. Alright, so this is what you are going to see on Khan Academy. For now, I haven't posted anything, so all I wanted you to do, just sign up. That's the only thing I want you to do right now. Okay. Yeah, so this is what you're gonna see. Once you're signed up, then I will let you know what to do. So far, please don't panic about anything, don't stress about anything. Am I gonna pass? What grades I'm going to get? What time I have to wake up to join this class? Don't worry about anything, please. So thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.